Alright guys, how's it going? Moto Dragon here again. Back with another vlog. Fucking eventually. I'm not dead. Didn't forget about yous. I'm still here, alive and kicking. Just haven't had a video in a while. I think it's been about 3 weeks since I had a video. There's been a few reasons for that as well. Yeah, it's nice 6:15 in the morning. Heading into work. It's freezing as well. It's really, really cold. But it's really nice. It's meant to be really nice this morning, as it is. It's grand. It's lovely. Not wet, not raining. Happy days. And it's meant to be okay in the afternoon. So I just said, fuck it. I want to go on the bike. Want to do a video because I actually haven't been on the bike myself in ages. I haven't turned the bike on that long. Well, no, it's been about a week since I actually was on the bike. If even. No, it was like 5 days ago I was on the bike. Yeah, I was on the bike 5 days ago. But it's been that cold as well, which hasn't helped. When I went to turn the bike on, it turned off and then back on, and then struggled to start. So I was like, fuck, it's really cold. And I also have on my most least favorite pair of gloves. I fucking hate them. They're so big and awkward and nothing quite fits on them, and anyone else have a pair of gloves that they just hate? And these are only new as well, and I forget what they are. They're Dainese. They're some Goretex shite, and I only got them because it's like, alright, Goretex will be warm, it's going to be dry. They're dry, but they're not fucking warm. My fingers are already cold. I just hope you guys can see, because I just have to realise, and I have the camera set to 60 FPS, so if it's grainy and looks shit, that's my fault. I'm really sorry. Trying to get better at wheelies. Slowly. I have to hit my fucking mirror and I can't see shit now. But yeah guys, there's been a few reasons why I haven't had videos. There's two main reasons. One is that I was so sick for the past 2 weeks. Like, really fucking sick. I thought it was the flu, but it wasn't really. I ended up having like an inflammation of my chest and all, and I'm on like an inhaler and antibiotics and fucking everything. It was shit. I still kind of have like the little cough and all, but for the most part I'm cured. Jesus cured me. Hallelujah. And for the most part I'm cured, so happy days. The worst, literally nearly all of it is gone, so probably being on the bike is probably going to bring it back, but we'll see. And then the main reason why I haven't had a video is that the weather has just been absolute shite in Ireland lately. Like, it was actually fucking snowing at one point, but it's literally just been rain and wind and snow and ice. I have a lift into work, so why the fuck would I bother driving in? And then one of the main things why I don't really bring the bike into work is I don't really have anywhere like safe to park. And like, I don't work on a bad part, but I work in Dublin, so it's all a bad part really. Thanks for all the subscribers. I'm like 970 now, which is amazing. I've also recorded a similar video 2 or 3 times, and I just wasn't happy with the way it came out. I just thought it was a bit crap. So 3rd time the charm. I'm really hoping. What the fuck did I do to my mirrors? I don't like mirrors, but I like being able to see behind me when I have them. The last video I put up was my mods video. That got really good feedback. Everyone seemed to enjoy it, which I'm really happy for. It was a completely different style video. I didn't know how it was going to turn out. I was actually afraid of how it was going to turn out, mainly because I've never used that camera for recording. I didn't know what the audio was going to be like, what the video was going to be like, but I think it turned out like really well for a first time. And literally just having a tripod, the camera's too big to be vlogging with and doing all this shit, and I don't vlog like the normal style vlog, and it's just kind of awkward to me. So I was like, fuck, I don't really want to try it now. But it has kind of sparked a bit of interest in my head of, will I start doing like actual vlogs but incorporating them with my video? So with the likes of say do it with Dan or Motonosity, and even Chase on Two Wheels, when they do vlog, then they'll record, they might do another little vlog and like in between it, and then back on the bike. I really like that style, and I don't know why. I just think it's a really cool style. It's a real, it gets everyone involved, I think, and it kind of, I don't know, it's interesting to watch, I think, because it can get a bit boring just looking at some arsehole like myself on a bike, you know. So it mixes it up a little bit. It's windy today, and I'm going on the motorway. Oh no, I need petrol, but I'm really not arsed. I might get on the way home. I should have enough to get me. So I got 2 bars, well, 1 bar and an empty. I'm okay with that. Yeah guys, thanks very much for the support in that video. As I said, it was really well received, and you know, the feedback from it was really good. So I was delighted with that. And also, I like the little mods I put on my bike. I think they look really fucking nice on the bike. If you guys don't follow me on Instagram, go ahead and follow me at moto.dragon. And I put up all the photos generally like before I put them up on YouTube and all. And I do put up some nice photos, if I do say so myself. I think I put up lovely photos. And I do try to be fairly active on it, because I do like Instagram. I love taking photos and posting them. Something fun about it. Oh, but yeah guys, that's all I wanted to say. I want to have a quick video of saying thanks for the support. I'm not dead, I'm still here. I was just ill. This is the main reason. I was just really fucking ill, and the weather's been shite, but I just hope the weather can fuck off. I do have stuff in the works for test rides, which I'm excited for. I just have to go in and sort it out with them. But I was talking to a guy I know, and they're pretty happy and looking forward to me doing test rides with them and all. So it could be good, something different for the summer. We will all see how everything pans out. But look guys, that's a video. Hope all of you enjoyed. Like, comment and subscribe, and I'll talk to you on the next video.